Felix never imagined a digital guidebook could transform his property management experience dramatically. After discovering Hostfully, he was surprised to find innovative features that significantly boosted his operations. Before implementing the digital guidebooks, Felix faced frustrating back-and-forth scheduling challenges with guests. Now, reservations run smoothly, allowing Felix's team to focus on providing an unforgettable guest experience. In just 5 months, Sanctuary Farms Marketplace saw an astonishing increase in booked add-ons. Felix shares his excitement. The number of upsells is amazing, showcasing the platform's potential for revenue growth. The secret to Sanctuary Farms' remarkable success? Hostfully's digital guidebooks and their efficient property management tools. From pet fees to airport transportation, the guidebooks offer guests an array of enticing add-on experiences. Guests can instantly lock in activities, like farm-to-table dining and adventure-filled tours, at checkout. Felix cherishes seamless bookings, allowing guests to relax and immerse themselves in the beauty of Sanctuary Farm.